Good day, guys. As you can see, I'm back again. Wow, it's been a very long time. So sorry, I just had a little break, and hopefully, I'm able to be fine. For those of you that will be seeing this for the first time and I have not seen your line before, Namidi is so, as usual, we are going to combine our classes with grouping to make sure that everybody understands this place. Everybody's welcome to the platform, and contributions, questions, and more learnings are free. You have my number down on the link down there, so you can click on it, follow me, and then any other question you have, contributions, anything at all you want, if you want, and just comment down there. If you cannot comment, you need it very urgently, you can just DM me. I'm always very active, so anytime you go to chat, please don't worry. Okay, let's get down to business so I don't waste much of time. I'm going to do Okay, so today, since you have not been active for a long time, so you'll just be answering questions, random questions, but basically for indices. Okay, basic questions from indices. Most of the questions we'll be taking today are from indices, and these are some SAT questions, very, very important questions. And remember, when I say SAT question, I don't mean the question will be like very tough. That reminds me, one of my students asked me, sir, how can we look at a question and then know how to solve it? Just like that. The step is followed. So I told him that I'm not ready to answer. That means you're not ready to answer a question. But tell me, trust me, the guy was very good. So that was his question. So you get questions correctly, but some of them you don't know what and how you apply. Which I believe very well that most of you know you are supposed to know. Not even so far, not just knowledge where I no one apply, I know but I no one apply. So maybe just do something here today. Now see mathematics. So normally our class is always mathematics and physics, but today you just have to start with mathematics. SAT questions. SAT questions. Okay, so most people write SAT examinations. Answering SAT questions, SAT examinations, and rest. So to be taking questions from there. So this most of these questions are sent by students that want to write WAEC, and then students that want to write JAM, and then students that are having like external GCE to write. Those questions are sent by them. I just selected the indices question, indicial equation question. What is of it? I'm knowing this manual, this one now from indicial equation. Now that we just select today. So we just have little offset in it, and also sword in it also. So okay, altogether we have 7 questions for today, which I will solve one by one in each of the video here. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. The question is if 2 raised to power the square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 32, find x. See that? Start the question me back. Some of una think we don't blow in our head. But some of una sharp guys we don't get the answers already. I believe some sharp guys sharp. So if you see question like this, you just have to do normal thing. You have to do normal thing like knowing that the question is from indices. So you must have almost the whole laws of indices in your mind. Have the laws of indices in your mind. Okay? Know that a raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any raised to power 0 is equal to 1. If you have a raised to power minus 1, it means 1 over a. So that's when this is talked about. So next thing again, you have to know that a raised to power minus 5 means 1 over a raised to power 5. In some cases, for you to solve, you change this one to this one. But in some cases, for you to solve, you change this one to this one. You have to be very, very careful. Okay, let's take this question. And we have so many laws, we don't get time to state everything here. Also, remember, don't forget this one again. If you have a raised power 1 over 2, you see the same thing as what? The square root, the denominator, use it to form the roots. The square root of what? The base. A raised to power what? 1, the numerator. See that? Okay. For us to proceed, let's just answer this one first. This one, we don't even know any more idea from that one for English, but you know that this is what? Initial equations. Let's take this. We're given 2 raised power the square root of 2s plus 1, which is equal to what? 32. See ba? So in initial equation is either we make the powers to be equal or make the base to be equal. See that? So looking at this, we are going to make the powers to be equal. Sorry, we are going to make the base to be equal, not the powers. Huh? So the base there is what? 2. The power is what? Square root of x, square root of 2x plus 1. Why the base there is what? 32. What's the power? Okay, power is 1. You know that one already. The power here is 1. No, why don't write down, but normally now 1. So we're going to make the base here to be equal now. So since here we have 2 raised by the square root of 2s plus 1. If it's going to be equal, you're going to look for how many times you multiply 2 to give you 32. See that? So if you have 2 times 2 again is what? 4. Times 2 again is what? Maybe 6, maybe 8 with that. Okay, now 8. 8 times 2 again, you're going to have 16. So 16 times 2 again now. Our answer will give us what? 32. See that? So I'm going to write these values now in standard form. I'm having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 5 times. No change anything, no, it still remain 32. That one clever. Okay, it can look very well. No magic we do. The base here now is 2. The base here is now what? 2. So since the base are equal, divide both sides by what? The base. Since they are equal. Huh? So this take this take this. Which you get remain now? I'm having what? The square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to what? Our what? 5. Okay? Mathematics says that if you have something like the square root of x equal to 25, for you to find x, you're going to have to what? Have to square both sides, right? Which this will take this. I'm having x equal to what? 25 times 25. That's 25. 25 two times. But so I have to do the same thing here. So for us to find this value, to remove this square root, I'm going to do what? Square both side. Okay. So now this square cancel the square root. So what you get remain? 2x plus 1 is equal to 5 squared, which is 5 times 5. So now 2x now plus 1 will give you what? 5 squared means what? 5 times 5, which is what? 25. Normally, we know if you add this one now. So we're going to remove this to this side. So I'm going to have 2x equal to, when this cross will become 25 minus 1. See that? When the plus and cross equality as usual. So now 2x now will give you what? 25 minus 1 is what? 24. Coefficient. That one clear. So to coefficient, divide both sides by what? 2, which is the coefficient of x. This take this, x will give you what? 24 divided by 2, which is equal to 12. So hence x, value of x will give you what? 12. The answer be that. Oh. That's the question, be back. Look very well, don't say very good. That's the question yourself. Tell me if you don't understand. Man, you supposed to answer my question. You already there, cameraman. You supposed to answer my question. Okay, let's take the next question. You have to take the next question differently.